Blizzard at the top of Winter Park. East Coast Powder Day, baby. Getting some carbs. I'm going back to 505. Get down and low. Look at that drift. Oh yeah. Hit a flip. Okay guys, we're gonna be going down this tree run. Should be hella powder. Ah! Uh-oh. Ski Patrol found our secret trail. Look at all these Christmas trees. Oh my gosh. Feel the powder. It's so pillowy. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, look at this. So nice. Woo! Burns your legs after not doing powder for so long. Oh yeah. So nice. Where's my jump? This is my jump. Whoa! Ah! Okay guys, check out this video in a minute.